No, thank you. Nice, that's nice, bro.
Everything
Sorry.
for the girl.
Oh, that's perfect. That's the beginning of the vlog. Okay, just leaving. Relax, relax. I was at McDonald's, I know, but for coffee, getting some work done. But check it out, when you just walk out of McDonald's here in Krakow, look what you got. Where they sell paintings all on this side and all over there as well. And on that note, cześć i dzień dobry from here in Krakow. From here in Krakow, beautiful day, sun is out, you would never guess. Yesterday was thundering and lightning and storming like crazy. Really productive morning. My friend is still here. Got to meet up with them in a little bit. I just was trying to get some early work done because I don't know what the plan is, but I have a feeling today is going to be a pretty busy day. You want healthy food, best place, one of my favorite places in Krakow. My friend should be here soon, trying to get their work done before they get here, because I think they have like a crazy plan for today. Hi. Hey. They haven't had their morning coffee yet. They haven't had the morning coffee yet, so you understand. It's how it is. Do you think it's okay if I leave my car here, or should I move it? Yeah, quick stop back at the hostel to change. Have a feeling there's no rain. I think it's gonna be a hot day. And now starting the famous walk from under here down there. I know you see it in the vlog all the time, but it's the walk. Oh, I don't know if you guys have this. Do you ever have those friends where you're with them and you're walking and then all of a sudden they will just stop for no reason and you find yourself like talking to yourself or walking by yourself? You have no idea where they are. This is them. Everything's okay. Yeah. I was just talking to myself for like 30 seconds. No, thank you. Nice. That's nice, bro. Sorry.
Everything for the girl.
Once again arrived here to the Jewish quarters. I don't know if you guys remember from last time I was in Krakow, the place where I brought my first longboard from, where I tried to go last year. Roger, is he here? No. No, did he come in at 5?
No.
Oh, okay. I don't feel so bad though. Yeah. Will he be here tomorrow?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll try to come before I leave then. We can show the hospital so we can tell them like what happened, you know, like she was trying to do the trick board. Oh my gosh, please don't fall. Oh my goodness. Oh, no. That's better than anything I could even do. Okay? All right, see ya. Heading to the shop to see if we can get some longboards. I think that can extend our adventure and how far we can go, especially in this heat, if we can. Hoping it's open, because I told her it was open. But, and don't worry, it's gonna be open. It's gonna be open for sure, for sure. Yeah, so fingers crossed it's open. Place right here. Hey bro, how you doing, man? What's up, man? How you doing? You good?
Good, good.
So right now, trying to find longboard to maybe rent. Huh. If you guys remember, if you guys have seen, if you guys are new around here, you probably don't know, but this is the one I have in my house, which I didn't ride for a long time. Maybe get that one. Okay, so right now we're just trying them out. I might get this one. Feels weird because it's the one that I have that I didn't use anymore. So it's a little different riding, but this is the more easier one to ride. Yeah, maybe this one. Okay, actually changed it up. Gonna take this one. The other one, it was cool, but it just wouldn't turn. If it doesn't turn, it's a little bit of a problem. Okay, we are good. Yeah. She's happy, finally something to make her happy. Okay. I'm staying all the time. I mean. Well, good news is we have the longboards. Bad news, I don't know where we're going. Where are we going? Okay, straight. Levo. Bravo. I forgot how cool it is on the longboards. Oh, this is the food truck place we went to yesterday. So there's no, okay, so there's no plan. Right now our goal is to get to the river, and then we'll figure it out from there. Because for sure, there's places to skate by the river. I think. Oh man. And like the true kind of paradise for me, when I used to longboard a lot when I was living like by Barcelona, it was just like put headphones in, like you zone out the world and you just like cruise, you know. So I hope you guys can kind of feel the experience a little bit. I don't know where. Remember that friend I was telling you guys about that everyone has? That's always behind, you don't know where they are. Can you even see them? La 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 la. There you go, okay. I'm not pushing up that hill. It's a marathon. Dzień dobry. I have no idea. No idea where we are. Dzień dobry. I have no idea where we are. We are Krakow, The castle, everything's over there. Now we're this way. This is unexplored ground for me. You know where you are?
We came up
Yeah.
to go down.
Okay. Makes sense. All we can see was here.
Nothing.
There's always something.
No.
Okay, so we found out there's kind of nothing over here that we know of. Maybe you guys know things we don't. But we're going here. Biedronka. If you guys don't know what this is, in Poland. Huh? Tak. Whatever she said, I don't understand. We're here in Biedronka. Biedronka is the least expensive place in Poland. So if you're trying to save money, you come here to Biedronka to go shopping. Everything is always cheaper than in Zapka and Carrefour Express. This is the place to come. Okay. And we're looking for cold drinks.
Yeah.
Now with the Polish, you don't know what that means. It could be cold water, vodka. What are you looking for?
Vodka.
They don't have cold vodka, sorry. So there's nothing cold here. There has to be something cold. Over here are the fridges. Chodź, tak. Do they have any cold drinks? Cold drinks is just they have cold donuts. Okay, got stuff to chill, relax. Just gonna try to find some place in the shadow. It's nice to sit by the water. It's cool. We can meet people there as well, but maybe here on this side of the Krakow is a little bit better. Here in this place.
There's garlic inside. Show them that there's garlic inside.
But you know what it is?
Bułka with garlic.
Bułka.
Bułka. The bread we call bułka.
Bułka. This is bułka and has like garlic inside.
Bułka z masłem czosnkowym.
Tak. Polish people know what it is, but for Americans, this is like the bread they give you if you go to this Italian restaurant. The ones they put on the table.
Kinda, yeah.
And here we go, back on the road again. Maybe 1-2 hours later. Not sure, but it's not as hot as it was before. I have no idea. Where are we going? Where? Oh, we're going prosta. We're going straight. That's where we're going. Keep it up. Good luck in your school and class. You should be the teacher. Bye-bye. You too.
Remember that.
Same boat. All right, I got one. Here we go. Did I make it?
Yeah.
That was amazing, man. Really.
That's how we do. You good? Not too tired? See you, bro.
See you, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Yeah, thank you. Whew. Dzień dobry.
Hello.
Wszystko dobrze? I guess maybe before I end the vlog, because we've been here kind of just chilling, relaxing. Met a pretty nice elderly couple on the bench, by the way. Oh, I forgot. The people, they always say why people don't say bye. And you want to say bye to the people?
Bye.
You want to mean it, like bye? And you have to give, okay, hold on. I got to give you guys some value. I didn't give you any value and you're here.
What value?
Something we can give them about, because you've traveled.
Yeah.
And you come back to Poland. And why do you think, as a Polish person who's traveled, why do you think that people should travel? Let's keep it simple.
Oh my God.
Why should people travel?
But the simplest questions are the hardest questions.
It's always. What's the main reason why you think that people should travel? From someone who's traveled for 6-7 years.
Just to understand other people.
In culture.
If we learn how to understand other people, other cultures, then it will be just much easier to communicate with people in your own country also.
Okay, good answer. And she didn't even know I was asking her that. She didn't know didn't know. Good job. Bye-bye. Okay, I forgot I had to bring you guys some value as well. It's pretty cool meeting up with people here, and I try to share as much as I can and bring you guys some value at the same time. But it's been a great time here in Krakow. I think we're going to buy Zapiekanki. We're going back to the Jewish district, have Zapiekanki, where I think you guys should all go to. Pretty busy day, but I feel like if I don't end the vlog right now, then it might not be ended properly today. But I just want to thank you guys for watching, and definitely come here to Krakow. Definitely best way to see it is maybe on longboards. If you can't do the longboards, definitely go and rent a bike. You see a lot more in a lot less time. Normally we'd still be walking to the first place we went to, but we were on the longboards, got there faster. Definitely a great investment. Definitely come check out Krakow. Maybe tomorrow coming to this side of the city a little bit more, which you guys can see here with the church over here. Definitely gonna come to the site maybe tomorrow. It's like a whole nother side of the city, a lot less tourists. But on that note, talking too much, it was a fun day. I'm glad I could share with you guys. Hope you got some value out of this. Leave comment, questions, anything you have, and I'll talk to you guys all later. I'm starving, need some Zapiekanki with no meat though. This is day number 3. And have a great day. Talk to you guys all later, and everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao. You guys see today, nobody parked here. I think everyone learned their lesson yesterday.